YAML. Prerequisites. AWS account. Purpose: to access and manage CloudFront services within the AWS ecosystem. Explanation: an AWS account provides the necessary framework for billing, security, and access control, enabling users to create, configure, and interact with CloudFront resources. ING user with appropriate permissions. Purpose: to grant authorization to specific actions within CloudFront. Explanation: ING users with appropriate permissions can manage CloudFront distributions, create and configure origin access identities, attach policies to manage distribution behaviors, and monitor CloudFront performance. Origin server. Purpose: to store and serve the content that CloudFront distributes. Explanation: CloudFront acts as a content delivery network (CDN) by caching and distributing content from an origin server, e.g., Amazon S3, EC2 instance, or other web server. The origin server must be accessible by CloudFront to retrieve the content. Domain name. Purpose: to provide a publicly accessible URL for your content. Explanation: CloudFront requires a domain name, e.g., example.com, to distribute content to end users. This domain name is used to create a CloudFront distribution, providing a CDN endpoint for your content. SSL/TLS certificate. Purpose: to secure communication between CloudFront and end users. Explanation: SSL/TLS certificates enable encrypted connections, ensuring the privacy and integrity of data transmitted between CloudFront and user browser. This is essential for secure website delivery and protection against data breaches. Content to be distributed. Purpose: the actual data that CloudFront delivers to users. Explanation: CloudFront requires content to distribute. This can be static files, images, CSS, HTML, dynamic content from web applications, or media files. The content should be stored at the origin server and configured for access by CloudFront. Understanding of content delivery networks, CDNs. Purpose: to optimize website and application performance. Explanation: CloudFront is a CDN service. Knowing the principles of CDNs, such as edge caching, geographic distribution, and load balancing, allows you to effectively configure CloudFront and maximize its benefits. Basic knowledge of DNS and domain management. Purpose: to configure custom domain names and manage DNS settings for CloudFront. Explanation: configuring CloudFront involves working with DNS records and managing domain name. Resolution. Understanding DNS concepts helps you set up custom domain names for your content and ensure proper routing. Familiarity with CloudFront configuration options. Purpose: to tailor the behavior of CloudFront distributions to your specific requirements. Explanation: CloudFront offers various configuration options, including caching policies, origin access, error handling, and distribution settings. Familiarity with these options allows you to optimize content delivery, security, and performance.